Allora Mario, for the next recipe, this bacio d'Alassio, let's just tell our viewers about the name. So bacio meaning
Kiss.
a kiss.
Yes,
You mean
it's a
kiss.
love.
Is amore. So that's the first thing. Alassio, now what is that?
It's a small town
Yes.
in Liguria.
Yes.
And this biscuit is an old recipe from this town. It's very popular in Italy and now around the world.
Yes.
It's
And what's the
made-
base of it?
It's made with roast hazelnuts, dark chocolate, cacao, and sugar and a touch of honey.
And a touch of
The
honey.
honey with the kiss is the best.
And of course, the wonderful thing is that you're going to be using as the uniting spread some Nutella. Originally, the spread was actually gianduja.
Gianduja, yes. Gianduja is the original Nutella, what's it called today, Nutella.
Yeah.
Is roast hazelnuts, dark chocolate and sugar. Is a very healthy product because I have a good cholesterol from the nuts and it's lovely for kids.
Yeah, but I guess that's it's a bit more of an expensive product, and that's why they substituted Nutella, really?
Nutella is the more commercial style because
Right.
it started to put together palm oil, make it more easy to spread.
Spread, yeah.
Is for every single kid's breakfast.
Who doesn't know
in
Nutella,
Italy?
for God's
In Italy,
sake, yeah.
yes. Now I started to make the baci d'Alassio. That is a traditional recipe from Liguria. And what to do is open a pack of Kitchen Angel. The product out of the pack, put in a bowl, and it's ready to use. I need to mix with egg white. The ingredient on that product is roast hazelnuts, dark chocolate cacao, and after for finish use the pearl sugar. That is a nice sugar you possible cook and when come out of the oven is the same form and shape before you have started to. Now your white eggs put inside the ready mix bacio d'Alassio and start to mix until it's very nice, smooth and not lump. Beautiful. You know possible smell, but the smell of roast hazelnuts start to make me happy and imagine the biscuit when come out of the oven. This bacio d'Alassio is a pride to make because possible share with you my knowledge and use the fantastic roast hazelnuts. This mix is good because save a lot of your time and have a nice result all time. No change time by time, and your time is very important. Now the mix is already nice and soft. Start to shape your biscuit. Use a piping bag. Okay, half is ready to make a nice biscuit. Nice trays with baking pepper. You decide the size you want to do. It's a nice small. See, I put on the trays in same distance, same size. Now it's nearly finished. I need to just decorate the biscuit for look nice. With a little bit pearl sugar. The oven is preheated under 85 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. With this other half I leave from the bacio d'Alassio. Do a different recipe, but with the same batch. Make a little bit ground coffee and mix with the bacio d'Alassio. Nice, and I have a nice biscuit mocha. Very popular in Australia because I like a lot the chocolate and the coffee. Now I put the coffee inside. How much you like for your taste and mix until it's nice amalgamated together. Now it's ready to start to shape your cake. Just use your hand, make a small bowl, same of that. For make easy and not stick in your hand, you need to use just a little bit of water to make wet your hand. Finish the biscuit for look very nice with one whole hazelnuts. That is ready to go in the oven. You see, with one pack of product, you make 2 different style of biscuit and a lot. Nice to enjoy with your friend. For sure, you have make your oven preheat, 185 degrees. It's ready to go in, just for 10 to 12 minutes. And that is the biscuit made with bacio d'alassio. And your mocha biscuit is ready to try. Now is in trouble. I have 2 important people, Caterina and Filippo De Bella, judge me for the biscuit.
Well, viewers, I hope you have enjoyed this show of regional Italian cuisine. The wonderful Phil Di Bella, who has joined us. We know his story. Now the world knows his story. I know you've expanded all over the globe. So you started in Brisbane. You're in the Asian countries. You're in New Zealand. You're just taking it on board. But you know what? You are a fantastic guy. I love your story. And it's the things that are very close to my heart. Also, thank you for introducing the wonderful Mario Calif to regional Italian cuisine. Of course, this is the next entrepreneur, I would say, because it's a very clever idea. You've transported us back to Sicily. That's what that makes me think of. Just bring some sunshine next time. Kitchen Angels, where can we find these products?
kitchenangel.com.au.
All right, and on that note, Phil, of course, has made us a beautiful Di Bella coffee using the Arnica blend. È vero?
Correct, that named after my daughter.
All righty, take care. Have a wonderful time. Enjoy these recipes. Get online and buy them soon. All right, ciao. Alla
Ciao,
prossima.
ciao, alla prossima.
Ciao. Grazie. Ciao.